Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and in today's video we are checking out what is possibly the best leather case for the iPhone 15 Pro. This is the Andar Aspen, and a massive thank you for Andar for sending over these products for the purpose of review. Of course, everything's going to be linked in the description down below. We've got one of their leather cases to look at and also an amazing wallet, so let's take a look. So guys, here are the two products that we're looking at in today's video. We've got the Aspen case for the iPhone 15 Pro and also the Pilot wallet, also from Andar. And that's probably where we're going to be starting off from in terms of the wallet side of things, and we'll leave the case just off to the side there for a moment. So as you can see from the packaging, you've got an idea of what the actual wallet is going to look like on the inside of the box here. On the back, a little bit of information with regards to the wallet itself and some of the features, but of course we're going to be going over that in the video itself. Now you also have a very nice leather pull tab on here, and that's just an indication of the quality of products that you're going to be getting direct from Andar. All of their products are going to be 100% genuine leather. Now, I am actually a fan of the slimmer style wallet, so I've been using this Jack Wills leather wallet for a very long time. As you can see, it's aged very nicely over time, and that's just what genuine leather products do. Now, I've also used something like the Ridge wallet, which in my opinion is a little bit overpriced, so I'm really excited to be checking out the Andar Pilot because this contains a really nice slim style wallet, genuine leather, and some really awesome features. So getting into the packaging side of things, the first thing you're going to be finding is a thank you card, and on the back of there it does also have a discount code if you want to continue to buy some products from Andar directly. But I'm actually going to be saving this one for myself. However, I do also have a link in the description down below and a code at checkout, CVSG, which will automatically get you guys 15% off of your order direct from Andar. Now, they've also got some really nice features when it comes to buying direct from them as well. Orders over $75 will get free shipping, you've got free exchanges, 90-day return policy, so just in general you can tell that they care about their customers. But again, that will all be linked in the description down below, and once again a massive thank you to Andar for supporting the channel. So then we have the Pilot case itself. Now, I have actually gone for the black version, however there are a ton of different color options available directly on Andar's website. You do also get a free sticker included with your packaging as well, so again, if you do want to rep that Andar brand anywhere that you want to, then you've got the option to do so. Now, when it comes to this particular wallet, it feels incredible. You've got very subtle Andar branding just on the front here, and that's pretty much all you're going to be getting, along with the Andar name just on the back. And as you can see, you've got loads of different slots and covers and places to put your cards and cash, so in general it's a pretty versatile wallet overall. Now, like I mentioned, it is also that 100% full grain leather, and it smells incredible, it feels incredible, and I think it's going to wear really nicely over time. You've got a card slot up the front here for your most used card or maybe some ID, and they also have this leather strap around the back here, so if you do want to keep some cash in there, you've got the option to do so as well. You've also then got the quick release mechanism, which is basically how you get your cards out of the actual Pilot itself. So you've got an anodized aluminium interior here, and then you can put up to 7 cards in the actual case itself. Now, the cool thing about this is you don't have to have 7 in total. It's got a really nice spring mechanism in there. So for me, I've actually only got 3 cards that I have, 2 bank cards and my driver's license, and that also works pretty well because of the spring mechanism. It kind of holds them in place regardless of how many cards you've got. Now, yes, if you do have 1 card in there, then over time maybe the spring isn't necessarily going to hold up very well, so I would definitely use this for more than 1 card. However, as you can see, even with only 3 cards in here, shaking it pretty violently, the cards only just come out, and even then they don't come out completely, so I'm pretty sure these are going to be secure no matter what you're going to be doing. But then again, if all you're doing is having it in your pocket and taking it out from time to time, I don't think you've got anything to worry about. We then have that quick release mechanism, and as you can see, it brings out your cards super nicely. They're not all stacked on top of each other, it kind of stares them out, which is really good. So if you want to get access to a specific card, they're not going to be kind of hidden behind any other cards. Now, the also wallet itself does also have RFID protection as well, so no worry about any of your information being stolen by anybody out on the street. But just in general, this mechanism feels extremely nice. Now, yes, you do have to push the cards back in, but they go in very easily, and in general it feels like a very high quality product, and it kind of should do because it comes in at $75. Now, don't get me wrong, that's not cheap for a standard wallet, but once you take into account the grain of the leather and just in general the overall build quality, it's actually a pretty good product for the price when you can take into consideration some of those other wallets out there that are going to be coming in way more expensive, or something from Apple coming in at around £40 here in the UK. This actually overall for what you're getting is pretty good value. And that then brings us on nicely to the Andar Aspen. Now, I've been seeing a ton of stuff online about this particular case from this brand in regards to the overall quality and it being the best leather case of the iPhone line of devices. So today we're going to be putting it to the test. So as you open the packaging, again, you are going to be getting that thank you card with the discount code on there. But again, guys, link in the description down below if you want to get any money off of the Andar website. Now, Now the one that I've gone for here is actually the moss color option. I just wanted something slightly different to that standard black or grey, and I think it would go really nicely with the titanium iPhone with those more sort of earthy tones to it overall. And again, this being 100% leather, it again feels incredible. And you can also tell I've used some cases here on the channel that unfortunately are not leather, and you can definitely tell from the overall feel of the case and just in general the overall quality, but this one here feels amazing, and it also does have that nice leather smell to it, which is a little bit strange to say, but if you know, you know. So taking a quick look around the case, you do have metal buttons and some very minimal Andar branding just on the side here, nothing on the back of the case at all, and just in general no big logos. You've got all of your cutouts down the bottom, and then again all of your buttons are going to be covered for the volume and action button, and they've actually recently introduced the action button to this line of cases. The inside has a really nice microfiber lining, which is definitely going to protect the back of your iPhone, again some Andar branding, and you can also see the MagSafe rings in there along with the alignment magnet as well, so you know that the MagSafe is going to be very secure on this particular case, and stuff's not really going to move around too much once you get it on the back there. Now once you actually put the phone into the case, the thing that I really like about this particular case is it has a very satisfying click when you do put it in there. Now don't get me wrong, the leather itself is extremely soft and it feels very nice, but you still have that really nice kind of protection, and you know that it's in there for a very long time. It's not going to slip out or anything like that like you have with some other leather cases, for example. And also with the more sort of rounded shape of this year's iPhone 15 Pro, it just feels really nice. Again, you've got a lay on the table design on there, but the full grain oil wax leather just feels very, very nice in the hand. And it also doesn't kind of slip too much. It's not the kind of slipperiest case out there. It's in general a very nice feeling case. Now you've also got all of the protection that you would expect as well. So around the camera housing around the back here, it's got a very nice lay on the table design. So if you are going to be putting it on its back, then you know that it's going to be protected. And I wouldn't really worry too much about this particular case with it aging or wearing over time, because that's kind of the whole point of the actual leather. Once you start to use it a lot more, you will also see the MagSafe ring come through on the back of the case itself, and it will also pick up some scratches and patina over time. But that, in my opinion, is what makes a leather case great, is the aging and that wear over the usage and over the years that you're going to be using it for. Now you do also have a ton of different color options for the Andar Aspen case available on their website, but they're all going to be coming with these really nice metal buttons. They're extremely tactile, very, very clicky, and you've just got a nice level of reassurance when you're actually pressing the buttons. Also, all of your cutouts on the bottom, you don't have that symmetrical cutouts, there's no wasted space at all. So again, a very nice cutout for the USB-C connector. I've not had any issues using multiple cables, and of course you've also got your speaker cutout along the bottom there as well. Now, one thing that I would say with leather cases is you do sometimes need to worry about the overall fit of the case itself, but again, with the Andar Aspen, that's not really a problem. As you can see here, if I'm trying to pull on the sides of the case or even on the bottom, this case isn't going anywhere. And again, like I mentioned, when I actually installed the phone into the case, it has a really nice satisfying click to it when you actually get your phone in there. Now also with the MagSafe side of things, I've got the official Apple leather wallet here, and it goes on extremely nice. Now, the alignment magnets sometimes don't do the best job, but once you get it in there, it is on there. These are probably some of the most kind of strongest and most secure magnets that I've used on a case in a very long time. And I also really, really love this orange and green look. It's kind of giving me sort of camo army vibes or even Halo vibes. And in general, I just think it feels really nice with the leather on leather design. So for me, I may actually use a mixture of the Apple leather wallet on the back of this Andar Aspen case and also the Pilot case from Andar, because again, the combination between the two is really, really nice. And I'm just kind of a fan of green at the moment. As you can see, my Apple Watch strap is a nice green color, and even the jumper that I've got on is a nice kind of green color, and everything just goes really nicely together. But in general, this case is very, very nice. Now, when it comes to the pricing of Andar Aspen, it's not too bad either. When you look at something like the official Apple leather case when that was available, you're looking at $60 to $70, whereas the Aspen comes in at $55. And in my opinion, the overall quality and the premium finish of this case actually makes it a bit of a steal for an official leather case for the iPhone 15 Pro. And yes, Andar did send these products over to me for the purpose of review, and they've given me a nice discount code for you guys, but I just want to let you guys know that that doesn't actually impact the overall quality of what I think this case does. Now, if they didn't give me anything or send me anything, if I bought this case myself, I would still be saying all of the exact same stuff. This is one of the best leather cases for the iPhone 15 Pro, hands down. And that's going to do it, guys, for this video. Now, like I mentioned at the start of this video, I do have a discount code for Andar, which is linked in the description down below. So if you guys want to go ahead and buy anything from them directly and get 15% off, then by all means use my code in the description. Also, if you do pick up anything, let me know in the comment section exactly what you've got and also what you think of it. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below. And of course, if you're not already subscribed, now is a great time to do so. And of course, once you've hit that subscribe button, don't forget to turn on your notifications so you're notified anytime I post a video here on the channel. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass. Thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.